Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area, Part 3. Today we will study what is area.
Now see what is area. Area means what we have to find out. Area means we have to find out the inner space of your closed figure. Understood everyone? So now see in the figure is given, that is your rectangle. Inside that rectangle small square box is given. So we will find out that how many box is there, means what we are finding the area. Understood everyone? Area means what you have to find out. Area means we have to find out the space inside your closed figure. Understood?
Now let's see the formula for finding the area. Clear? Now see, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Understood? And the next formula for finding the area of a square. So for finding the area of the square, your formula will be side into side, or you can use side square. Clear? Now students, we will see what are the difference between the area and perimeter. Clear? Now area and perimeter are the different ways of measuring the shape. Clear? While finding the area, we have to measure, we have to find out what? We have to find out the inner space of your closed figure. Clear? And while finding the perimeter, what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance around the edges of your closed figure. Understood? Now see, with the help of this picture, it will be very clear to you what is perimeter and area. Clear? So when we are finding the area, means what we are finding? We are finding the space inside your closed figure. Clear? And while finding the perimeter, what we are finding? We are finding the distance around the edges of your closed figure. Clear? Now see the another example of your perimeter and area. Perimeter means what we are finding? We are finding the distance around your object, and area means what we are finding? We are finding the space inside your figure. Now let's see practice set 45. Now see question number 1. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Now students, here the length of a rectangle and breadth of a rectangle is given. You have to find out its area. So how you will going to find out the area? With the help of the formula. Which formula we have studied? We have studied the formula, that is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Clear everyone? So here first of all we will write down what is given in the question. Here in the question the length is given, that is 15 centimeter, and breadth is given, that is 5 centimeter. Clear? We will use our formula, that is area of a rectangle is equal to length multiply by breadth. Clear? So what is our length? Our length is 15, and what is our breadth? Our breadth is 5. Understood? So 15 multiply by 5, what you will get if you will multiply 15 with 5? So you will get, that is 75 square centimeter. Clear everyone? Now the area is calculated in the unit, that is square centimeter, square meter. Clear everyone? We have to use the square. Understood? For while finding the area. Second one, if the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. Now here what is given? Here the side of a square is given, that is 12 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the area of a square. So how you will going to find out? By using the formula, that is area of a square is equal to, what is the formula for finding the area of a square? That is side into side. Clear? Or you can use the formula, that is side square. Clear? Either use side into side or use side square. Clear everyone? Now side, what is the side given? That is 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12 we have to do. So what you will get? You will get 144 square centimeter. Clear? Understood? So the area of a square is 144 square centimeter. Clear everyone? Now see student, third question, if the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Now students, here we have to compare the area of the new square with the old one. Clear? So how you will going to compare that? For finding the area of a square, we need our what side, but the side is not given. Clear? So what you will do here, we will assume our side. Understood? So what you will take the side of your square, we will take that is A. Clear? All the side we will take that is A. So here we will take side of a square. What you will take, that is A centimeter. Clear everyone? Now we will find out the area. So area of a square. What is the formula for finding the area of a square? Side into side. Understood? So A multiply by A. So what you will get? You will get A square. Understood everyone? Now what you have to find out, here we had find out the area of the old square. Now we will find out the area of a new square. So tell me now, what will be the area, what will be the side of a new square? Now here it is given the side of a square is triple. Understood? So now we have to take our this one. Now here you will write down square centimeter, students? Now here it is given that is it is triple. So how you will make it triple? Now what we have taken the side earlier for the old square, we have taken that is A. So we have to take 3 times more than this. So here your side will be 3A, 3A and 3A. Clear? Understood everyone? From where we have taken 3A, we have to take triple. Clear? So for old one, what we have taken side A. So you have to take triple. 3 times you have to take A. So you will get that is 3A. So here what will be the side of a square? What will be the side of a square? That is 3A. Now you have to find out the area of a square. So how you will going to find out? That is by using the formula side into side. Clear? So side is 3A into 3A. So what you will get? You will get 3A multiplied by 3A. 3 3s are 9 and A multiplied by A square. Clear everyone? How you will going to find out this? So what we have to do here? Now here what is given? What is given? How many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? So here we have what we have to write down. Here we have to write down that how many times it is more than the original one. So here you will write, therefore the area of a square, new square, write down the area of a new square is 9 times the area of the original square. Clear? So it is 9 times more than the original one. Thank you.